God dang, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fat Basses TV. Today in this episode, we're actually going to be going over how to catch cold water bass. So, we're going to be using a Texas rig in this one, and the next one, I'll make this like a little series, you know. A Texas rig, then a jig, then a jerk bait. You know, those are the main ones you guys want to focus on for the slow moving fish that are going to be out there in that really cold water. So you guys don't want to go too fast, you guys don't want to go too slow. You know, you want to put it right there in that pretty slow range. You don't want to like friggin' just let it sit there dead sticking, but you want to friggin' drag it and give it a couple pops. But with that being said, stay tuned to the very end for all the tips and tricks that I use in this video in order to catch these fish. And hopefully, if you guys enjoyed it, maybe you guys will subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the chest.
I don't understand how you can have 2 treble hooks in a bait and not catch the fish. There he is. Oh my God, dude. Big bass. 3-pounder. 3-pounder all day right there. Oh my God, I don't know if you guys saw that, but he freaking smacked it. Oh, why didn't he get caught? That don't make any sense. He was like this long, guys, in the water. Oh my God. And freaking insane. Why didn't he get caught? Maybe do I just need to give him more time? Let it get the bite and then let him get it? The frick, that was crazy. I saw him. Okay. Oh, got him. Oh, freaking beautiful colors. Look at this, guys. First fish on the rod, the new rod. Freaking worked beautifully. Look at this puncture. Oh, the bait that I poured caught him. Look at that, guys. Please tell me, yeah, I'm recording. Whew. That is good stuff right there, guys. Jacked them beautifully right in the mouth, top of the lip. If I can get this sumbitch out. I think I forgot my damn pliers too. There we go. Oh, look at that. The freaking tail was in the gullet. Oh, guys, look at that. Freaking nice little bass. Look at that. Oh, haven't caught one of these in a while, guys. So nice. Let's see what we got here. Take a see if I got any battery left on my phone. Look at this, guys. Freaking beautiful bass. Oh crap, I gotta figure out how to rotate this without dropping it. Here we go. Beautiful bass, guys. Caught on the home pour jig here in the cold water. Guys, if you guys ever want to catch cold water fish, you catch them by using, here we go, we'll do a smooth freaking little cool thing. Boom, see ya, dude. You guys, you want to use jigs, you want to use jerk baits, you want to use Texas rigs, and just pop them slow as hell. And that will get you bit every time. So let's quit talking. We got a little bit of sunlight left here. And with that being said, let's catch a little more fish if we can. All right, guys. 1 fish. That's better than 0 fish. And that's the first fish we've caught in a while. So maybe I can get another one right there, right where that one was maybe. Might be schooling or hanging out right there. Just popping it real slow off the bottom there and get another bite maybe. But the pole, this is the Mach 2 Lose. Picked this up on sale for what, 20 bucks I think, for this 7.3 heavy. And dude, like you saw that thing had no problem jacking him up. So maybe I can get thumped again, hopefully. I was just bumping it real slow like you guys see here. I can't tell if that's something or not. No, that's just something in the ground, on the ground there. There's a little baby bass. But I was just bumping it real slow. Hopefully you get a bite. Just wait for that thump. Well, let's go ahead and cast over this way because there's structure right there. So maybe we can get a fish off that structure. A little deeper structure right there. Without breaking off. God dang, guys. Holy crap. He was waiting. Another decent one. He was waiting. Look at that. That barely hit the water. Holy smokes. Barely hit the water. Another decent sized fish. Look at this. Oh God. Look at that, guys. Barely hit the water. As soon as it hit, smack. Oh my goodness gracious, that was insane. Didn't even give it 3 seconds. Real long fish, still super pretty colors. Bleeding out of his fin or something right there, but super long, guys. Holy smokes. I wish I had like a measuring stick on me, but I do not. Here, I'll just go ahead and throw this bad boy up right here. Flip them on. Look at this, guys. Another freaking beautiful cold water fish on the hand-poured Texas rig beaver tail that I have. I'll be selling them soon if you guys really want to check them out. But with that being said, look at that, guys. He's a super long, super pretty fish. Let's go ahead, get a good release on him, and see if we can catch another one. This one didn't even wait for it to hit the freaking water, dude. It freaking was right there. See ya, dude. Yeah, guys, so I casted right there. I don't know if you guys can see that little stick right there, but I casted right there and then automatic, boom, tugged it. I set the hook and he tried to bury himself in that tree, so I'm super lucky about that. But, oh, guys, hit the like button for that one. That was super cool. Hopefully you guys saw it all on the GoPro, and you guys can see how automatic it was. Just boom, boom, bang. It was insane. Hopefully we can get another one before dark, but they're finally starting to bite and it's awesome. So let's go ahead and cast right where it was and catch another big one. Okay, let's give her another hook over here to this pile. Oh, got one. I wish I was lying, but I'm not. Not as big, but I got one. Look at that, guys. Oh, they're getting it now. See if I can lip them. Boom. Number 3, guys. I don't really know if he really deserves to be on the big camera, so need to get that hook out of that. Come on now, get off there. Okay, I'll worry about that here in a second. Okay, guys, number 3. Aggressive little dude. See you later, bud. Heck yeah, dude. Dude, I am ecstatic. This bait is killing it. In this cold water, look at this. After 3 fish, every single appendage is still on that thing. Every single leg, every single ripple, nothing. Not even phased. Stuff is just good quality. And again, like I said, you guys will be able to buy this hopefully by the beginning of the year. I'll have a website up and figured out what I'm doing. Okay, so we got right there. Let's cast right there again. See if I can get it right on the other side of that. Right there. Right where it was.